Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top businesses you can start in Kenya with 100,000 in 2023. If you are looking for a business opportunity or you are just starting out, this video is for you. Starting a business in Kenya can be a great way to earn a living, especially if you have passion for entrepreneurship. And with just 100,000, you can get started on your business journey. So let's dive into the list of top businesses you can start in Kenya with 100,000 in 2023. Number 1. Car wash business. With 100,000, you can purchase the necessary equipment and supplies, such as high-pressure washers, buckets, sponges, and soap. You can start by offering car wash services to your friends and family, and then expand your business as you grow. Number 2. Boda Boda business. A Boda Boda is a motorcycle taxi service that is popular in Kenya. With 100,000, you can purchase a motorcycle, obtain the necessary license, and start offering transportation services. Number 3. Catering business. If you have passion for cooking, this might be the perfect business for you. With 100,000, you can purchase the necessary equipment such as a refrigerator, oven, cooking utensils, and start offering catering services to events and parties. Number 4. Fruit farming. With 100,000, you can purchase land and start growing a variety of fruit trees, such as mangoes, avocados, or pineapples. You can sell your produce to local markets and supermarkets. Number 5. A commercial cleaning business. With 100,000, you can purchase cleaning supplies such as mops, brooms, detergents, and start offering cleaning services to offices, schools, and homes. Number 6. Fish farming. With 100,000, you can purchase the necessary equipment such as tanks, pumps, and feeds, and start a fish farm. You can sell your fish to local markets, supermarkets, and restaurants. Number 7. Fashion business. With 100,000, you can purchase fabric, sewing supplies, and hire a tailor to make clothes that you can sell to local markets or online. Number 8. Butchery. Meat is a perishable and venturing into it requires ample planning. A good location with potential clients should be your first lookout. Getting a reliable source of meat is also key in venturing into the butchery business. Close proximity to a slaughterhouse may do more good. Number 9. Photography business. Photography is also a good business to start with 100,000 in Kenya. You can start by buying the most necessary equipment like camera and lenses. You can get a good camera just for 50,000. You can then expand your business as the demand for your services grow and as your customers increase. You can choose to focus on either outdoor photography or indoor photography or maybe both. Finally, number 10, money transfer business. With 100,000, you can start a money transfer service where you help people send money to their friends and families in other countries. You can earn a fee for each transaction you process, which enables you to earn and expand your business. So there you have it, folks. These are the top businesses you can start in Kenya with 100,000 in 2023. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you are interested in learning more about starting a business in Kenya, be sure to check out my other videos in the subject. Until next time, thank you.